Let's go over how to export information out of the system. You'll want to begin by hovering over Reports and selecting Exporter here. This will take you to the screen where you can select the kind of report that you want. Or you can toggle on the top here. For this example, let's pull a transactions export. You can see here at the top that you have the option to search for a page or select one or multiple by holding down the Shift key here. Once selected, the fields that populate these pages will populate here. You have the option of pulling individual fields one by selecting and clicking the arrow, or again, you can hold down the Shift key and pull all the fields into the report. You can filter by status. Most commonly, you'll want the completed, but you can also choose all statuses to include all of these guys here. Or you can filter by transaction type if you only wanted a list of refunds, for example. You can add a date range. You can give the file a name, and you can choose how you'd like to pull that file. Once you're ready, click download.